You want to learn how to make this very yummy chicken pepper soup with some assorted parts? Then stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a special episode. I know some of you like chicken, but you like some assorted part. That is the same with me. There are some chicken parts that I do love very much, and I'm going to show you how to just make them exceptionally sweet, yummy and tasty. All right, so stay tuned guys. So the ingredients are scotch bonnet, onions, garlic, and obviously the chicken feet. I love them so much. And then we're going to take a part of the chicken and some mint leaf for that wonderful flavor. So guys, this is how to wash your chicken feet. First, to put them inside the washing bowl, use the kitchen scissors and cut out the fingernails. You don't want to have them sticking out in your pepper soup, so cut them all like that. And then I usually slice the middle so that all the yummy juice will get into the chicken feet. So this is what I do guys. Be careful, bend it over and just wash them thoroughly. That is how I wash my chicken feet. Next, put your ginger, garlic, pepper and blend them together. All right,